Let's talk today about some sleep issues. Sleep is an essential aspect of our overall well-being, contributing to physical health, cognitive function, and emotional balance. However, many individuals struggle with achieving quality sleep due to various factors. Reasons for poor sleep can be many. Stress and anxiety can be one. One of the primary culprits behind sleep difficulties is stress and anxiety. Worries about our work, relationships, or other life challenges can make it challenging to relax and fall asleep at night. Anxiety robs us of relaxation and sleep. Poor sleep routines also can be a factor. Inconsistent sleep patterns and irregular bedtime disrupt the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This inconsistency confuses the body and makes it harder to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Electronic devices also contribute. The use of electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops before bedtime can negatively impact our sleep. Did you know that blue light emitted by these devices suppresses the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep? Caffeine and stimulants are a big one. Consuming caffeine, nicotine, or other stimulants close to bedtime can interfere with our sleep. These substances increase alertness and make it difficult to unwind and achieve a state of relaxation. Some remedies for improved sleep can be establishing a consistent sleep routine. Develop a sleep pattern schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This routine helps regulate the body's internal clock and promotes better sleep quality. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual. Engage in relaxing activity before bed, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing deep breathing exercises. These rituals help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Many people think that using electronic devices are like reading and will make you go off to sleep, but many times it just makes your mind more alert, focusing on all of the glitz of the screen emojis. Minimize exposure to your electronic devices. Limit the use of your electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime. Alternatively, use blue light filters or night mode settings on devices to reduce the impact of blue light on melatonin production. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Ensure that your bedroom is conducive to sleep. Keep the room dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Invest in a supportive mattress, comfort pillows, and consider using earplugs or white noise machine to block out external disturbances. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity during the day can promote better sleep at night. However, avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it may increase alertness and make it harder to fall asleep. Stress management techniques. Implement stress management techniques such as medication, yoga, or journaling to help reduce anxiety and calm the mind before bed. These practices promote relaxation and prepare the body for sleep. Watch your diet. Be mindful of your diet, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Avoid consuming large meals, spicy or heavy foods, and stimulants like caffeine or nicotine. Instead, opt for light snacks that promote sleep, such as small servings of nuts, warm milk, or an herbal tea. If all else fails, you can talk to your provider about some medication to help with this. There are several things to know about this before asking. One is, the issue you are having causing your sleep problems needs to be identified. If it's anxiety or depression, then you need to see the proper healthcare professional that can address these for you. It is another medical issue that is causing pain, then that needs to be addressed as well. If you have a nerve issue causing things such as restless leg syndrome, then that too should be evaluated and treated. Don't put off sleep deprivation. Going without sleep has far-reaching potential problems. For the person that is just having some non-medical pertained sleep issues. A good product for sleep that I have used and have proven to work well for me is LiveGood Sleep Patches. LiveGood Healthy Sleep Patches deliver a unique blend of high absorbable, healthy, natural ingredients directly through the skin and into the bloodstream to provide a fast and long-lasting, deep, restful, high-quality sleep. Check out the link below this video to find out more about the LiveGood Healthy Sleep Patches as well as all the other LiveGood products.